washer in the car, so Ryan's running to grab that. But anywho, as you can tell, I am completely on my way out from no voice. It is absolutely horrible. I'm all congested. I feel bad because now I know how the babies felt the last few weeks, but that is okay. That is neither here nor there. Today is our first park day, which is Animal Kingdom. As you can tell by the animal print and the overalls, I'm not sure if I will button this one up. That's fine. Ryan's wearing his baseball tee and Big Kid is still sleeping. Little baby is just hanging out there in the bed. I don't want her to roll up, so I'm going to make this quick. We are headed to Animal Kingdom, like I said. We have new lightning passes. There's like one top tier and two little tier ones, so we have those. We're going to go on Everest, which is the one ride that I know my big kid was really interested in. There are no quick queues to get at 7 a.m., so we woke up just in case, and then we checked and there weren't any, so that's fine. But nonetheless, I am going to wake up the big kid and pack my diaper bag, which is just my Tinkerbell bag, with some diapers and some stuff for the day, and then we are going to, Ryan's also grabbing a Mickey Mouse pancake or waffle for the big kid because she really wants that, even though we just went and got all those breakfast snacks from Walmart. It's okay. And then we're headed to Animal Kingdom. Coffee, and I wanted to use my magic band to get that as a treat, but it turns out I didn't know how to use my band. Just went on the river rapids. I decided I didn't want to go on. Most of the time we're going to be using the pass to trade out the parent pass, whatever. But I didn't want to go on the river raft because you could get wet. So the baby and I are sitting in front of this really cool monkey exhibit. I think they're monkeys. The difference between monkeys and apes are that monkeys have tails. Oh, that means that this is an ape. There is no tail. but we are sitting here waiting. There's about 5 more minutes before they will be off the river raft ride. We have a reservation for the Expedition Everest at about 11:45. So we're just working on the wilderness passes and working our way around the world, around Animal Kingdom. We're doing ride swap. So Big Kid and I are going on first, and then we'll come off, and then Ryan will go on with her again. It's very similar to Loch Ness Monster.
There's no one on it. Attention, Expedition Everest team members. Once on board, secure all gear in the cargo bag. Resourcing way out. Exposing power.
We're back from Animal Kingdom. I sound even worse than I did before. We decided to skip a whole bunch of stuff and just head back to the room and relax before our dinner reservation at Epcot. We have our resort drinks, which you get the refills at any resort. So we're going to fill those up, and we're going to spend some time at the swimming pool. Pop Century has 3 different pools. We were thinking of going to the one.
There's a computer one, a bowling ball one, and there's the
yes, so we were thinking about going to the computer one because Mr. and Mrs. Potato Head are there, but the bowling pin one has a splash pad. So we're gonna go there too. Here at this pool, we have already gone in. Baby girl had a blast. I'm glad that we came when we did though, because I can always show you. It is starting to storm. We still have our dinner reservations at Epcot tonight, so we have to head over there. We're gonna leave the pool in about 10 minutes, I think, but we don't really know if we have time to hit the pool the rest of the week. So, it's starting to rain. So I'm really glad we came when we did. And we have to try and get the big kid out of the pool before it really starts to rain so we can get back to the room and we can change.
the Disney Skyliner at Disney's Pop Century Resort and Disney's Art of Innovation Resort. We are on our way to Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort with connecting flights to Disney's Hollywood Studios and Epcot International Gateway.
It does.
So we left Epcot from dinner. I got in line for the Skytrack, and it broke down. And so it broke down, and we got stuck in line. And then they said they were gonna bring buses, and it was just a mad rush to the buses until we got there. And they told us we couldn't ride the buses. We had to get back in line.